Okay, so let me type in here msconfig. Okay, you haven't done it before. Okay, so now you gotta hear the system configuration files, right? So let me just give a single click on services. Okay, so like you can see all the services has running, right? Okay, 1 second.
So that's good, right? That they're running.
Yes, now I can see all the services running, right?
Yep.
Okay, let's do one thing, sir. Just hang on for a second. Let me transfer your call to one of my senior technicians so that he will show you each and everything and he will fix the problem, all right?
Okay.
Yeah, thanks for, yeah. Hello?
Yes, I'm here.
Yeah, hi, sir. My name is Frank. How are you doing today?
I'm good. What? I'm sorry. What did you say your name was?
My name is Frank.
Oh, okay.
How are you
Gotcha.
doing today?
I'm good, Frank.
All right.
I mean, I'm getting a little. I'm getting a little tired here. This phone call is going on 20-some minutes now, and Justin and whoever the two guys I spoke to before were going to show me all this hacker activity, and they just keep transferring me. So I don't. What's going on?
Okay, let me show you all the problems, right? So don't worry about that, right?
Well, okay.
So can you tell me one thing, like how old is this computer?
I think the actual computer was bought maybe 5 or 6 years ago, and it was a challenge to find a copy of Windows XP, so I had some local guy build it for me, because I've got some games and stuff that I like running, and they didn't run on let's see, Vista I think was the next one. But it's been Windows XP has been reinstalled about a year ago, so it's the hardware is, I guess, 5 or 6 years old, and the software is only a year old.
Okay. It's a XP, Windows XP Search Pack 2, right? Search Pack 3 here, right?
Yes, that's what it says there.
And the computer name is Jack.
Yep.
Can see you.
That's me.
It's 1 GB RAM in computer, 3.3 gigahertz processor. Did you see that?
Yeah, I really should
And
get,
it's an Intel
some more memory.
i3 processor in computer. i7.
Okay.
And what do you do mostly on this computer?
Well, the games that I like playing, most of those are on CD. But I browse the internet, I shop, I take care of my bank accounts and stuff like that. Pretty regular stuff.
And you are the only one user, right?
Yes.
For computer?
Yep.
All right, so
spend all day looking at this thing, I think.
yep. Oh, did you see that this is some hackers are running through the computer? This is this one. The netstat here. You see that?
I see that.
And the active connection. This is your local IP that is connecting locally. It's a Commodore. This is the name of your, I think, this computer, right?
Yeah.
The network. And also this is that the hackers are running through the computer. The phone addresses, local host here, And this is few, they always established, consider status, like established connection.
So even those team viewer ones are hackers?
No. Okay, it's a connection. I'm connecting your computer to the main server. That's why it's showing you the teamviewer.com. Okay?
Okay.
Because they're using the server. See that the server here? This one. That's why it's showing you the teamviewer.com here. Because they're using this address 6039. See that 6039 here? 1108 1108 here. You see this one?
I see it.
Yeah, they're using the codes in computer. So that's why we made it, because there's no protection, there's no security. That's why it's happening. So can you tell me, like, what kind of protection, what kind of security do you use in this computer?
I use Malwarebytes.
And another, only the Malwarebytes, right?
Oh, I really haven't had much of a problem, but I think a few years ago, my tech guy used, what did he use? He used some special program to, I don't know. Basically, all I use is Malwarebytes. He said that was a good one.
Okay, and Malwarebytes only protects from the viruses. It's not protect from the hackers. I think there's no anti-hacking software in computer. That's why it's happening. That's why the hackers are running to the computer in network. And do you have any idea about the code face? This one? This one?
No, I don't know what that is.
Okay, let me show you on Google, because, and as you can see from my side, there's a code face is running inside a computer.
I would believe that.
Okay, this is the code face on Encyclopedia. And I'm going to open this one. Now just read out. What is the code face you will see here? Right, so just read out. You see that? And through the code face, they are like watching our every activity on the internet. Whatever doing on internet, they're watching our every activity. And they're using computer for illegal purpose and for unwanted activity. That's the reason we made this call. Because, okay, let me show you.
Well, I was kind of reading that, man. I read that part.
All right.
Yeah, I don't really... These places where they're talking about that you can get Cube Face, I don't really go to those places. Yeah, I don't use Facebook. Alright, so that's Cube Face, I guess.
And it's like a Trojan horse. You see that? It's working like a Trojan horses. You see that? It's integral security memory Trojan horses for SX. It's like the Mac also, the variable specifier, the Cofface Twitter, and more Mac security blocks here.
Well, I don't have a Macintosh. I don't have a Macintosh.
Yeah, it's like it can infect the Apple devices as well as, because you see that it can infect the other devices on same local network.
Okay, I mean, this is interesting, I guess, but what does this have to do with me?
Yeah, because it's happening, because it's no security. And you see that this is a Cofface alias's name here. You are using the Malwarebytes in this computer. Do you see that? The Malwarebytes here?
I see that word, Malwarebytes.
Yeah.
Isn't that
that's just, I think
isn't that just saying that's what Malwarebytes calls that thing?
Yeah, it's not working. That's what's happening because malware byte in the list of code face. That means it's not working in computer.
What? Come again?
It's not working in computer. The malware byte is not working because code face is running. That's why it's not working.
Okay.
So I have to check some image info. I'm going to show you the services which is we are receiving in our main server. Okay, this is the like a 4-year-old computer. You see that? You have bought this computer with the date of this one. You see that? The date here.
Yeah, I see the date.
And everything is mentioned here. Everything is mentioned here about the computer. And I'm going to show you the Windows error reporting services. It's blank here. Let me check with the drivers. All the drivers are running.
That's good.
Loaded module. It's fine. Services. Normal. Environment variable. Okay, this driver, the signed driver are not available. This one. Its NDSI system driver is not available. This one. All of them not available in this computer. Your battery, your media, centers are not available. Intel.
So
your
every
drive,
single driver except for that one's not available? How is the computer even working?
Here, your system drivers are available, which is it's running, right? This is everything is running here.
Okay.
Right? But in your signed driver, which is it's by default, in the computers like your disk drive, your direct memory, CD-ROM driver is not available, your PIP driver is not available. You see this one?
But my CD-ROM drive works great.
But it's not available here. It's showing you. That means it's not updated in this computer.
I guess I don't care
now
as long as it works. I mean, I guess none of this stuff's really updated because Windows XP is so old.
It's old, but for the Windows XP, there's new drivers are available in the computer. And let me I'm going to scan a computer through this super system advanced manager. Okay.
Okay. Are you going to install something on my computer?
Now I'm going to scan the computer through this assist week.
But okay. Are you going to install something to scan?
Yeah.
Not sure I'm interested in that.
Yeah, beg your pardon?
not sure I'm really interested in that. My computer guys told me to be real careful about what you install on your computer, because even
I was uninstalled.
Hey, I was talking. Words were coming out of my mouth. Just listen for a second here. He said, be careful about what you install, because even the free stuff, especially the free stuff, even if it's not like malicious or something like that, it may not be very good software, and it may come with other stuff. And he kind of warned me against that. In fact, that was really the reason why he had to reinstall, is because my nephews got on here and mucked the thing up by doing that. You don't sound like you're listening to me.
It's a Microsoft Product software. System Advanced Optimizer. It's a Microsoft Product software. Okay, so don't need to worry about that. It's a free, because through this I'm gonna show you how many chunks files are available, how many hackers are running.
Yeah, and like that reg clean. Yeah, that was one thing I remember now. He said, don't ever do registry cleaners. They're just jokes. And these guys sell some sort of registry thing.
Okay, don't worry. I'm not going to install this one again.
Okay, well, I mean, you're the tech, but I mean the computer's working great now. I couldn't be happier with it. So I'm kind of missing the point of all this. Also missing about 40 minutes of my life.
We made this call to remove all these foreign addresses because they're using everything in computer. So the code phase through the rundale30.exe.
Pardon me?
Because the hackers are using everything in computer. Whatever they're on internet, on network, they're using everything in computer. And
what was that?
So the code phase.
What was that prefetch?
So the code phase there. Prefetch was just I'm gonna show you the chunks file, it's not available in computer. So this is the status. So 4 hackers are available in computer, right?
Well, you said those team viewer ones weren't hackers, right?
Yeah.
Just the top 2.
It's not.
Because the team viewer one, that's you guys. I'm connected to your secure server, right? That server that's listed there, that's you.
Because they're using your computer name. That's why it's showing you the team view here.
You aren't a hacker, are you?
Beg your pardon?
You aren't a hacker, are you?
No.
Okay. Well, you said that's a list of the hackers.
Yeah, it's all of the hackers' activities on the foreign addresses.
Right. Those 4 things are hackers?
Yes.
But the bottom 2 are you, right? The team viewer ones, isn't that you?
Team viewers. No, we are not this. Okay.
But you had me run team viewer.
Yeah, through the team viewer, I connected the computer to the main server to show you the hackers, how many hackers are running.
I don't think you're getting what I'm saying, Frank. If all 4 of those things are hackers, and the team viewer ones are the thing that you're using to connect to me, aren't you telling me that you're a hacker? I mean, I don't believe that, but aren't you saying that you're a hacker?
You're not a hacker, okay?
What you're saying doesn't make sense.
Okay, let me tell you one thing. If you want to fix the problem, then I will provide you some protections of secured computer to protect everything. Because I will install the Microsoft Aspire browser to remove these foreign addresses from the computer from a hack to your network. Because through the network, they are using everything in computer.
All right. So this is the best you got, I guess.
Okay, and for that software,
Frank,
it's like one time.
Listen to just for a minute, Frank. Let me be frank with you, actually, Frank. I know that there's not some sort of hacker activity on my computer, and you've just randomly dialed a phone number hoping to connect to somebody that you can terrorize.
No.
And to give you, just listen, that you can terrorize them into giving you some money. And I am actually willing to do that, but not for some bullshit piece of software or some mysterious tech support that's going to, disappear overnight. I will mail you $20 if you just answer about 10 minutes worth of questions about what you do for a living. Honestly, I'll mail it to you. Okay. Bring up a notepad and you type in your name and or just your address, wherever I need to send that $20 bill, and we can have a little chat, and I'll send that 20 to you. But you got to stop with this hacker business and all that, because we both know that's complete bullshit.
Okay, it's a server-generated call, okay? We are maintaining the Windows server. That's why you receive a call from us. It's not a randomly call, okay? CLSID, it's the Customer License Security Identity.
All right, hey,
and I'm going to show you
before you do that, you tell me what... okay.
Yeah, just go ahead.
Were you going to show me some sort of ID? Like, if you could tell me my product key, that would suggest to me that you know something about my computer. But you don't know anything about my computer. You're just milling around, trying to show stuff to scare me.
This is your key, the first key.
No, it isn't.
It's
not. You can make $20 if you just come a little clean. I don't have to know your name or anything, but I'll send you $20 right to you if you just drop this bullshit just for a few minutes and talk to me. Let's be frank.
Okay, that's rubbish. If you don't want to fix, that's rubbish. Okay, it's my job to inform you what's wrong with the computer.
No, it isn't. It's your job to act like an expert and then try to extort money from me after you've got me scared.
It's not
That's
like
your
that.
job.
It's not like that.
Think about if I were doing this and calling up your mother. Would you like that? You wouldn't like that if I tried to dupe your mother because of her lack of sophistication about computers into paying money for a worthless service that might actually be possibly malicious. Because sometimes when you guys hear that you're not going to get paid, you get angry and you tear up the computer.